Vidura College. Reception. English listening. Vehicles. Hello my dear children. How are you today? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Are you all ready? Come with me. It's about vehicles. Children, do you all know the vehicles that travel on land? Yes, those are car, bicycle, van, motorbike, three-wheeler, lorry and the bus. Children, what is this vehicle? It is a car. And what is this vehicle? It is a van. And this is a bicycle. All these three vehicles travel on land. Children, what is this vehicle? It is a motorbike. And this is a three-wheeler. These two vehicles also travel on the land. What is this? It is a bus. And what is this? It is a lorry. These two vehicles also travel on the land. Let us see some vehicles that travel in the sky. Those are jet, rocket, aeroplane, air balloon and the helicopter. Children, what is this vehicle? It is a jet. And what is this vehicle? It is a rocket. These two vehicles also travel in the sky. Children, what is this vehicle? It is an aeroplane. And what is this vehicle? It is a helicopter. And this is an air balloon. All these three vehicles travel in the sky. Children, do you all know these vehicles travel on water and underwater? Those are boat, yacht, ship and submarine. Children, what is this? It is a yacht. And what is this vehicle? It is a ship. And do you all know what is this vehicle? It is a boat. All these three vehicles also travel on the water. Children, what is this vehicle? It is a submarine. It travels under the water. Children, what is this? It is a railway track. The railway track is used for trains. Children, now we look at some questions. What is your favorite vehicle that travels on the land? It is a car. Yes, it is a van. And it is a jeep. And it is a lorry. Now tell me, what are the vehicles that travel in the sky? It is a helicopter. And it is an aeroplane. And it is a rocket. Children, now can you all tell me what are the vehicles that travel on water? It is a boat. Yes, it is a ship. And it is a yacht. Children, can you all tell me what vehicle travels underwater? Yes, it is a submarine. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson. We will meet again in another lesson. Stay safe.